Assalamu alaikum, hope that you all are well. In this video, we are going to learn how to perform descriptive analysis in past. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the past application. Here you see this is the past application I have opened. And descriptive analysis means mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, minimum value, maximum value. To perform descriptive analysis, first of all, you have to input the data, and you can input the data in two ways. The first one is you can input the data sheet directly as Excel from the Excel. Before importing the data from the Excel, you have to upload the Excel file in CSV format. Here you see I have already saved the datasheet in CSV format. Just select the data, CSV format data, click on open, and in separator you have to select the comma as this is a comma delimited text or CSV format. Click on the import. Here you see data already imported. Now we can perform the descriptive analysis. But before performing descriptive analysis, let's see the another way of importing data. You can import the data by directly copy and paste. Let's check this one, create a new past file, and for importing data by copying and paste, go to your Excel datasheet and just copy all the data you need. Ctrl+C and paste it in past. Here you see I just copy the data and paste it in past, already imported. The script analysis format is same for both way of data importing. Now let's go for the descriptive analysis. For descriptive analysis, first of all, you have to select the column you want to go perform descriptive analysis. Select the column first, then go to Univariate and summary statistics. Here you see this is the value of mean, this is the value of max, this is sum. That means all descriptive data are here. You find it in this new window. You can now print or copy the data. You can save the data in your desktop. I just perform descriptive analysis for a single column here. If you want to perform for all column, just click on here and select all the sheet or all the data. Now go to Univariate summary statistics. Here you see the minimum value of study hall is 5. The mean of attendance percentage is 81.65. That means here you find all the data or all data descriptive analysis, all column descriptive analysis. In this way you can easily perform descriptive analysis, but here you may face some difficulties when you copy and paste the data. Let's check the difficulties. Click on new and copy paste the data again. I just copied the data and pasted into past. If you now select the column, whole column, and go for descriptive analysis, show that invalid value put into one column E. It is because of you select the text column here. You cannot select the final exam score. That means this text. You just have to select the numbers. Select the numbers. Don't select this text and now go for enumerative summary statistics. Click on here. You see all the values showing there. But if you input the whole dataset as CSV file, you can select this column as well. But when you copy and paste the data, you cannot select the text column. You just have to select the numbers. And check this one for full datasheet. Go to Univariate summary statistics, and that will show it because here present an S, that's mean text. But now again select the numbers only. Go to Univariate summary statistics. Here you see all the values showing there. So For avoiding these difficulties, you must have to import the datasheet as CSV file. If you import the datasheet as CSV file, your work will be very easy. Hope that you understand very well. If you have any question, please ask in the comment box. I will try to answer and solve the problem. And if you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel for inspiring me. Thank you very much for watching.